The focus at First West for 2018 was how do we keep the member at the center of everything we do. And it stemmed from how we develop the right learning tools for our teams to deliver an exceptional experience for you as a member. It was about how we have the right advice because we have better information to help you with that decision making, to even do how do we have back-end processes that enable us to have digital paperwork so that you can actually have e-signatures and things like that. So everything we did was about how do we have you as the member at the center to keep it simple. And one of the things that we're really proud of what we launched this year was through a company called Send Global. And that means that we are the first Canadian financial institution to do international money transfers anywhere or most places in the world. I think about some of the other new products and services we offered, whether it's ClickSwitch, which makes it really simple for you if you want to change financial institutions and bring more of your business over here with First West. Or I think about our credit card. We launched a new credit card with Calabria. You know, one of the things that we've been focusing on too is our business member. And so the more that we can be holistically supportive of our business members in our communities is a really important part of what we've been working on, but it's just the beginning of, I think, the journey moving forward. We get quite a bit of feedback from our members through some of our surveys that we do. We call it the voice of the member. And through those surveys, we understand that you want to hear more from us. You want to hear more from us because you want to have advice and information that helps you make better financial decisions for yourself and your family. We also hear that you want it to be more simple. And so that's why, again, there's been a huge focus on how can we simplify our processes and in many cases digitize them so that you can actually receive them in a much more simple and easy way, for example, online. I think the keys of success for First West are continuing along the path that we're kind of on. And what I mean by that is how do we create an environment for our employees where they feel that they can be innovative, that they have a place where they can feel safe to learn, to grow, and that we actually have a flexible way that they work, creating an environment that creates collaboration and inclusion. Because if we think we create a great environment for our teams, but we will then pass that on to our members. So equally inside of that is for our membership. We're going to continue to look at how do we simplify things. In 2019, about 80% of your products that you have with us are now digital, which means that you can actually access them how you want them and when you want them. We did e-signatures, electronic documents, and that's just the start of the journey as to how do we sort of do that balance of you want advice, you want knowledge, at times, and at other times you want to be flexible and have it really, really simple and easy to how you access information. So we're going to strive to be able to provide that right balance for you, that you get the information how you want it when you need it. And so those are the things that we're really focusing on, is how do we bring solutions to you that are simpler, easier, faster, and in many cases then we can augment it with an element of advice.